Sir, could you please recap about the command line argument?
That we will start at end of the session, Balakrishnan.
Okay, sir, sure.
Good morning, all. Today we will start with the control flow in Python. Control flow in Python. Control flow in Python. In Python, control flow in Python. In Python or some other language also. Generally, flow control describes what? The order of the statement which will be executed at runtime. Flow control describes the order in which statement will be executed at runtime. That is a flow control describes the order describes the order in which statements will be executed at runtime. Flow control describes the order in which statement will be executed and at runtime. So what are the various flow control statements we have? So we can categorize these flow control statements into three categories. First one is, we will try to understand this with a pictorial representation. So just you need to try to understand this in a pictorial representation. Flow control we'll try to understand this pictorial representation. Flow control. Flow control. Flow control. Now, this flow control will be like three categories, like conditional statement, flow control. This will be like categorized into three categories. The first one is three categories, right? Three categories. First one is just conditional statements. First one is conditional statement. Conditional statements. Second one is transfer statements. Second one is transfer statements. Transfer statements. Then third category is iterative statements. Iterative statements. Iterative statements. So these are the three categories of flow control. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Then transfer statements. Then third one is iterative statements. Iterative statements. Now, what are the conditional statements we have in Python? So we have like a if statement, then if-elif, if-elif, then if-elif, followed by else. We will go in detail for this one by one in detail. So if-elif and if-elif-else. Okay. So this is for conditional statement. If-elif and if-elif-else. So this is conditional statement. So what are the various transfer statement in Python? Like a break, we have breaks. Then next one is continue. 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 Next one is pass. Pass. So these are the three keywords, and these are the three statements are transfer statements. Iterative statement. Iterative statements. What are the iterative statements we have in Python? Like for and while loop. While. there is no switch case in Python. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
one by one, we need to try to understand. The first one is if, right? So for this if statement. Okay. First one is this conditional statement, and then we need to try to understand, start with one by one. Right. First statement. Okay. If. What is the syntax for the if? Okay. First, we need to try to understand the syntax for if. Okay. We need to use the keyword if followed by condition, followed by colon, then statement. In Python, we don't have using curly braces to represent a block of statements, block concept. That we need to follow indentation. That is the reason you identify in if syntax, if followed by, there is no parenthesis, just write directly, we are writing condition if a less than b colon. Okay, then the next statement, what is the result? Suppose print a, like that. Some statement we need to write. Are you getting my point? So just we can direct indentation. Python, basically we need to follow indentation. That is the most important to represent block of the statement. Okay, here this is a syntax. If condition colon statement, or we can able to write like multiple statements also. If it is a single statement like this, if we have multiple statement, then how we need to write that? So if condition colon, after colon, the indentation is very important. After colon, indentation is important. So statement 1, then followed by statement 2, then followed by statement 3. So when will be evaluated for this if statement? If the given condition is true, then this statement will be printed. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the condition is false,
The else block will be evaluated.
there is no if block, right? There is no else
The
block.
focus will be shifted to outside
Sure.
the block, sir.
If nothing, we need to use the pass keyword in Python. That is also an advantage here. Okay. So just
Okay.
we need to try to understand this with programmatically first for this if usage. Okay. Now we are open our idle, and I am taking new file. Here I am writing the comment line if right. Here I am reading some value through input function. So like a name is equal to input of enter name. Okay, just you need to, I am reading some name, so and storing with the variable name, and I am using input function. Now I am trying to the enter name, okay, is match with the most. Okay, just I am checking for the condition. What is the syntax? If followed by
Condition.
condition. If condition. So condition name is, I'm checking name is equal to like a most, most, name is equal to most. I am verifying the condition. Okay. After the condition, what is the syntax? Colon,
colon, sir.
colon, colon. Then followed by
Indentation statement.
statement. Just after colon, just you need to put an enter. Then the cursor goes to, it is not going for the beginning of that idle command prompt, right? We have some spaces from the,
It creates 4 spaces.
yes, that spaces we call like a indentation. Okay, that spaces we are calling it as a indentation. Now, then we need to start the statement here. Print off. So, hello, good morning, hello, good morning. Just some message we are trying to print. Okay, we need to print if a condition is true, some message. Otherwise, if want, we need to come out from the if. We need to come out from the if. See my cursor moved backward. So there I am writing the print statement. I am not including within the block, within the if block. Okay. So just have a nice day. Some message for understanding purpose only. Just we are written here. Now we need to save this file. Save. If demo dot py. If demo dot py. So how we need to run this file? One way, we need to run this file through Python command prompt. So if it is a command prompt, how we need to do that? We need to go to the directory, same way in Java program. So yesterday we did command line arguments. How we are executed? We are executed through command prompt only, right? Now same way, Python program also we can able to execute through command prompt cd. So I'm going to my directory LSwami 6 am is my folder name I am using. So inside that we saved this file if demo dot py is the extension for that file. How we need to run this? We need to use Python followed by your file name if demo dot py. If Python space if demo dot py. Then you need to execute it. Now it will ask for enter name. Enter name. So what is the name I am trying to enter is most. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Have a nice day. Now once again I am trying to run this program. If demo. Enter name. Enter name. So just I am giving my name. Then what happened? So it will be printed as out of the if condition. So it will come out from the if and only have a nice day will be printed. Hello, good morning message is missing because condition is evaluated as false. If name double is equal to most is the string we are given, we are evaluating. If the condition is true, the followed statement will be executed. If condition is false, it will be come out from the if condition and then followed by next statement will be executed. Inside if statement, that statement will be skipped. That is the syntax of the if. Now same program, if we need to try to run through this idle itself, it is a GUI editor. So there run menu is there. You need to click on run module. So enter name. If you give Ashok, Enter name Ashok. Now have a nice day. Is if block will be executed? No. If block is not executed, right? So run module. When
Yes,
if
sir.
block will be executed, if name matches
Equal
with
to
the
most.
most. Okay. So hello, good morning, have a nice day. Are you getting my point? So
Yes, sir.
this is the way we need to execute from the command prompt, and directly we can able to run even F5 command also from the idle shell. Are you getting my point? Either way we can able to execute the program. Okay, I hope you got the clarity.
Yes, sir.
You got the
Yes,
clarity
sir.
now.
Yes,
Right, good, good. Same way, next one. Next statement is, what is the next statement? If elif, right? If elif.
Elif.
And if elif means what?
Like in Java, we used to use else if, right? Like that, elif, I think.
Yes.
To have one
So,
more condition, we use elif, sir.
yes. We need to try to, else
Execute
also we can
multiple
able to
condition.
use. Yes. Now, we need to try to check for that. If else also there. If else is also, we can able to write. 1 minute. We'll try. This is the 3 and this is the 4. Simple statement. If followed by else. Whenever. Now, just if else. Second one is if else. So same. Now, if else, what is the syntax for the if else? So if condition colon, so it will execute statement 1, else you must follow the indentation, else again colon, then statement 2. Okay, just we need to try to convert the same program into if else. Okay, now if name is equal to most, print hello, good morning. Else, so just indentation you need to follow, else colon. So here we need to write print of hi, welcome to Python learning. So just some message, then followed by come out from that condition, and we are written general have a nice day statement. Just we are converted. Now we need to run this program. Control S. I can able to run this program Python if demo. Invalid syntax. What is the why invalid syntax? Can anybody guess?
Sir, because we have given else block and as well as outer block, right?
No. We are not followed the indentation. We are not followed the indentation.
Okay, sir.
Control S. So just we are not followed the indentation. So that is the reason we are getting the error. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now enter name. So now Balakishan. Okay. So just I'm entering name Balakishan. Hi, welcome to Python learning. Have a nice day. So the first if statements means this condition evaluated false, then the corresponding print statement will be not executed. Then it will goes into else block. In else block statement will be executed, then followed by condition. If condition is closed, then it will come for the normal statement. Next statement, another instruction will be executed. That is a flow, right? Are you getting my point?
Sir, again, why we have used outer block, sir?
Where outer block? Just for the only if else is up to if else we are using here. Just for normal instructions, this indicates we have some other after if else block. We have some other instructions we can able to write while in the real world, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the intention.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So that is the intention. We can able to continue for our work. So after that condition, that is the meaning. So just we are using some instruction. That's it. There is no not necessary, but just for understanding purpose only we are trying to using that. Is it clear? As per the requirement, we can able to use, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you got the clarity now. So if it is a most, what happened? Just it will be executed the first condition, then else block will be not executed, then outer statement will be executed. Right. So that is about if else. Then if elif and else. So what is mean by elif? This is all. See, if first statement will be fail, the next statement will be executed. That is like same like else part elif. Then if elif else. What is mean by meaning that if first condition is fail, then elif, then the corresponding continue next statement, next condition will be evaluated. Then that also fails. Then else block,
Finally,
it will
else
goes
block.
into else block. It will goes into else block. That is the
Yes.
third category. If elif, elif, and just if elif, just like same like if else only. Just you need to we need to try for this if elif else. Just if elif else. This is fourth one, right? Third one is if elif. So just if elif. Now we need to just convert that same program into just what if here one more important thing is we need to check for the another condition. Just not only just simple else. So just I'm taking new file for this. Just if, please observe here, if elif and just if elif we need to try to understand, right? So generally, what is the syntax for this? So if condition one
colon
colon,
statement one.
then here like action. statement means some action, some condition is evaluated, that corresponding action we need to perform, right? So then, like I'm writing within the comment line because it is an ideal. Action 1. Now, then elif.
Elif.
So just ELIF, elif. Condition 2. Condition 2 colon. Then
statement 2.
that is your action 2. Action 2. Because we don't have switch case in Python, right? That we can use this if-elif ladder. We can able to do the functionality of the switch case in Python. Okay, elif condition 2.
Yes.
Then elif condition 3. Condition 3. Action 3. Action 3. Then elif. Then elif. Condition 4. Action 4. Action 4. So then finally
Else, sir.
else block, else part. So else colon. So if all the conditions, above conditions are failed, what is a like action we need to perform? That is like a default action. Like a default, like switch case we have, right? Default cases are first case fail, second case will be fail, third case will be fail, right? Then finally there is a default case will be there, right? Same way, like we are using if-elif ladder. Then if-elif, so if all first condition, if condition 1 fails, then it will go for elif condition 2. If elif condition 2 also evaluate false, then it will goes to next elif condition 3. Then that also false. Like that it will be continuing. Now based on condition, the corresponding action will be executed. Okay, so based on the condition only, the corresponding action will be executed. So here, based on condition, the corresponding action will be executed. Corresponding action will be executed. Now this we can try to understand this through programmatically. Now save this file. if-elif demo.py, right? if-elif demo.py. Just okay. Now this is morning time, right? So you are all interested to go for a tiffin, right? Okay, just we are using the variable tiffin is equal to, we need to read this input, enter your favorite tiffin. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Hello? Right.
Yes, sir.
So we are trying
Yes, sir.
to take the order, right? So So somebody like puri, somebody idli, somebody dosa. Is it right or not? Now we need to check for that condition one by one. If first condition, tiffin equal to double equal to so if tiffin is equal to idli, okay, colon, this is a condition I am checking. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Then if first condition is true, okay, we need to print. So
Italy is ready for me.
some message. So just same that message when I'm trying to print idli ordered. Okay, just for understanding purpose only. Are you getting my?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Same way now if this condition, then the corresponding, then we are trying to use multiple elif blocks. Okay, now elif, ELIF, else if, that is the meaning elif. Then now tiffin double is equal to, now tell me the tiffin name, second tiffin.
Puri.
Dosa, sir.
Dosa.
So just a minute, madam, I am collecting your order. Right. Now puri also you are ordered, second condition. Right. Next condition,
Dosa, sir.
dosa. Okay. Now enough, like two almost three condition, right? First one is if so if idli is not available, then you can opt for the puri. If puri is not available, dosa. If other than these three, if these three are not available, then there is a default tiffin will be there, right? That is the upma. Are you getting my
Yes.
point? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
the else
sir.
block. That is the else block. Okay. Then we need to try to print only is available. This is a default execution, right? So
Yes, sir.
now I'm saving this file. We need to try to run this module. Okay. Enter your favorite tiffin. Okay. What is my favorite tiffin? Bonda. So here we can able to write the statement, sorry, only upma is available.
Please wait for some time.
We will write that message also. Please wait.
Sir, some.
Please select, please order idli,
Puri,
puri,
do,
dosa only.
dosa on.
Or else if
Upma,
we can wait, we can cook, right, sir?
Message should be some
Yes,
meaningful,
yes.
right?
yes, sir.
So we need to give the user idli same because again puri and dosa. Right. Now run module. So enter your favorite tiffin. Suppose idli. Then what happened? Idli ordered. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
we trying to write other than that, okay, masala dosa. Masala dosa is not available. Just
Yes, sir.
Only those is available.
Only dosha is available.
like that. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
now what is the conclusion for this? If elif block. First you need to focus on if elif. Even if elif and else block also we are covered in this example. So if tiffin is double is equal to idli, this is a condition one, and print idli is order, this is a action one. If this condition is false, then it will goes for elif block, and again it else if. In Java we are using like else if block, right? Else if, not only
Yes,
if
sir.
else if is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So like else if equivalent to elif in Python.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? And
Yes.
like a case statement also, just like how we are in a switch case we are using cases in Java, but here we are using this elif and the default also, so that like this we can able to fulfill our that requirement
Yes,
in
sir.
Python. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you got clarity for this conditional statements. This conditional
sir.
statements. If
Yes, sir.
condition, if condition else, then if elif and if elif else. I hope you got the clarity for this conditional statements.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will continue for the iterative
Yes, sir.
statements in tomorrow class. So meanwhile, we need to try to understand for this command line arguments once again.
Shall I share my screen, sir?
Yes, you can share your screen. Balakishan, keep it a record. No
Okay,
need to
sir.
stop
Okay, sir.
that program. Yes, share Ashok, share your screen. Ashok, share your screen.
You have stopped the last week. Angela, take a screen share alert. Share content window. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Participants can now see your screen alert. Python project dash PyCharm call.python.
Sir, this file I want to call it from the command line.
Yes, yes. Open command prompt and where go to that directory. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. Window R key. Window R
Search.
key.
Search box is blank. C.
CMD. Ashok.
Run dialog. Type the name of a program, comma, folder, comma, document, comma, or
CMD.
M.
Yes, open it. Okay.
Text
Click
unavailable.
on OK.
Desktop list. PyCharm Community Edition 2022. C:\Windows/System32\CMD.X terminal blank. Microsoft Windows left bracket version 10.0.1904.5.3208 right bracket left parent. C right parent. Microsoft
Now,
Corporation. All rights reserved.
where in which directory you are saved, Ashok, your file?
I used ID, sir. PyCharm ID.
ID only. Default workspace location.
Locally C, sir.
Can you open that file through my computer and a drive and like that? Can you open that file?
Screen sharing meeting controls window. C:\Windows Python project dash call
Maybe
Python
C
project
here, sir, the workspace.
C user Shiva PyCharm programming, and that is a location, right? What is the file name?
Call.py.
Call.py. Call.py is not located here. Where exactly you are saved here? Yes, there.
left parent. Command line argument.
So the location is 1 minute, Ashok. C user Shiva. Go to that C drive.
Screen sharing meeting controls window. Python project and Python project. Screen sharing meeting C:\Windows/System32\CMD.XC.
C user Shiva and CD.
No, CD, sir. CD.
CD space. Once tab you need to press tab.
Cache.
Once again, tab you need to press.
If.
Tab.
Alert.
Again tab.
P2.
Again tab.
Link.
Again.
App data.
Again.
C
Tab
colon backslash
only.
user backslash shift
Again
operator
tab.
CD pro application. C colon backslash user backslash shift operator CD contacts.
Again tab.
Page. Desktop.
Tab.
Documents. Mode. C colon
In
backslash user
document.
backslash shift operator CD eclipse dash workspace.
Sir,
Tab.
C colon backslash user backslash shift operator CD favorites. C colon backslash users backslash shift operator CD Intel graphics profile. C colon backslash users backslash shift operator CD links. C colon backslash users backslash shift operator CD quote local settings quote. C colon backslash users backslash shift operator CD Microsoft Edge backup.
Just
C colon
you need to
backslash
drag
users
this.
backslash
You can drag this command to little bit right side.
Sir, I think that will be in app data, sir.
In app data.
Oh.
No,
Yes, sir.
not in app data. Not in app
Good.
data.
My workspace.
my workspace is there, sir.
Netcode. OneDrive. Print code.
Just
Different project.
you drag this PyCharm project. Yes.
This
Enter.
only, right, sir?
C colon backslash users
Yes.
backslash shift backslash picture
CD.
project trigger.
CD.
C E
CD.
E.
CD.
E.
Means change directory. Space.
And
Practice. Just tab P. You need to type.
P.
Tab.
Different project.
Enter.
C colon backslash users backslash shift backslash picture project
CD.
backslash hyphen project trigger.
CD.
C D
Space.
CD space.
P. Again P. Practice is the one folder you created. Inside that your program is there.
yes, sir.
So P.
P.
Again type P. Tab.
Practice.
Yes. Enter.
C colon backslash users backslash
Now
shift
we are
backslash
into
picture
the
project
current
backslash
directory, right?
project backslash.
So
Okay, now-
from this Python
Y T A O N Python space C
space call
C.
tab only need to type. Just tab you need to use.
dot py.
Yes. Call dot py space.
Enter, right?
No. We need to pass the arguments, right?
Yes.
Give the arguments 10 space 20 like that.
1 0
Some arguments.
10,
So
2 0 20 space
Balakishan, are you able to understanding?
Yes, sir.
7 17 space
Through command line, we need to go to our directory first.
2 1.
Yes, sir.
List pick greater the number of command
Now
arguments
you
colon,
see,
the list of command line
you-
arguments
you-
colon, left bracket, 10, call, dot, 5,
the
6, comma, 6, 10,
number
6,
of
26,
command line
17,
arguments
6,
is
17,
5.
right bracket, command line
Okay.
arguments, one, colon,
The
call,
list
dot,
of
5,
command line
10,
arguments.
21,
The
colon, backslash,
first
user, backslash, user, backslash,
argument,
picture, project, backslash, Python
the
project,
element,
backslash,
zeroth element is what? Which one? Zeroth element is?
Class
Just,
name, file name, sir.
Just a minute. You hold like that only. But I can't, right? Okay, right. Call dot py is it is arg v of 0. Command line arguments. First argument is the name of the application. Then followed by 0, 1, 2, 3. The index will be positive index. Is it right or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
total element is 5. But the first element indicates application name itself. I hope you got the clarity for this command line arguments.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay.
Actually,
Balakrishna, doubt?
what I did is instantly I have pressed type Python file name dot py, sir.
But where we are passing, actually in IDE also, like in Eclipse, like arguments tab will be there. I will check once in PyCharm IDE also. How exactly we need to pass this arguments through IDE also, there is a feature will be there.
Okay,
We can
sir.
able to directly pass the arguments. Same thing, IDE also, it will be available, definitely. In Eclipse, we are passing like command line arguments tab will be there. Na?
In the PyCharm also, I think it is available.
It
right,
should
sir?
be, we need to check once. I will let you know that.
Okay, sir.
IDs also, all IDs should be, this feature will be integrated. Definitely. Are you getting my point?
First, we need to go to directory, right, sir? Where it is located.
Yes, exactly.
Next step will be
We are using the Python command. Python followed by file name dot py, followed by give the arguments.
actually we have to enter into the folder where it is located, right?
Yes.
Then only we can use this command.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
We should be, the file should be, we are in the current directory of that file, wherever it is.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
here he has provided 4 arguments, right?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes, Balakrishnan.
Okay, sir.
C colon backslash users backslash shift
Follows
backslash picture
index
project backslash
position,
Python
right?
project backslash practice greater.
Hello, sir.
Ah,
It follows index position, right?
yes,
Okay, sir.
you got the clarity now?
Yes, sir. I got the clarity.
Up to
Okay.
index 4, it is printed, right, sir? Because 0 index is allocated by
name.
the file name.
Yes, that also will be printed first. All the elements from that list,
Okay.
it will be printed, right? Call.py is there. That is a 0 to all the values will be printed. Na? You are using for loop,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
For
yes,
each
yes.
I in that arg, we are checking, right?
Space. C colon backslash use.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Balakishan,
Sir.
you can stop the recording, please.
Screen sharing meeting controls window. Python project dash PyCharm. Call.py tab control. Screen sharing meeting controls window.